Today we have some very important, exciting news to share with you. Translas is further expanding its operations from Canada to the USA. Translas North America will be here to serve you wherever you're located, across the 50 states of the US or across the provinces of Canada. Translas's mission is to retain the welders that we have and minimise the welder shortage that's upon us in North America. Our vision is to globally reduce workers' exposure to the hazardous fumes and to provide a healthier and safer work environment whilst remaining sustainable. Translas is a Dutch manufacturer of welding guns since 1960, founded by welders for welders, with a passion for innovation, products that boast a distinctive design and that are quality and functional. If you are an end user in the metalworking industry or a distributor with welding gas products, reach out to us today and maybe we can work together.